If you've come across Vaubex, Lurowin, or Vosowin online, you're probably asking the same question I did. Are these websites actually legit, or are they just another online scam? I spent some time looking into them, and here's what I found. The first thing that caught my attention was the pricing. Many of the products are listed at very low prices. While discounts are normal, prices that seem too good to be true should always make you think twice. Next, I checked the website itself. The design looks clean, but that's not enough to prove a store is trustworthy. Scam websites can also look professional these days. I always recommend checking for contact information, return policies, and whether the company clearly explains who they are. Another thing to look at is customer reviews. If you can't find reliable reviews on trusted platforms, or if all the reviews seem overly positive and copied, that's a warning sign. It's also worth checking how long the website has been around. New websites with little history carry more risk than established online stores. I also suggest paying attention to payment options. Using a credit card or PayPal can offer extra buyer protection if something goes wrong. Avoid payment methods that offer no way to dispute a transaction. So, is Vaubex, Lurowin, or Vosowin legit? Based on my research, I wouldn't rush into buying from any of them without doing more checks first. There simply isn't enough trustworthy information to confidently recommend these websites. If you decide to place an order, start with a small purchase rather than spending a lot of money up front. That way, you reduce your risk.